Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Right, so today, well, over the last few days I've found hundreds of these offcuts lying around my workshop. And now they're brilliant sizes for pen blanks, but the only problem is they're boring. They look boring, and quite frankly they are boring. So I looked online and I saw that Chestnut Products do a spirit stain. But it got me thinking, will Alumilite do the same? So, never tried it. I'm going to give it a go, see what effects I can get out of it. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to do one colour yet or multiple colours on there. I don't know how it's going to dry on the timber and so on. So what I think we'd do is I'll get this piece cut down, I'll get a barrel inserted, we'll get it on a lathe and we'll give it a go. Now I've got a rough idea of what I want in my head. I want to try and get a sort of like a antique-y looking pen, which I think would look quite cool. But we'll see where it takes us and we'll see what happens. See you in a minute.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Right, yeah, so I quite like that shape. What we do now is we're going to get some Alumilite guys. Rub some on. We'll see what we end up with.
You and me.
So I think what we're going to start off with is blue. As you can see, I've already got it all over me, so I'm wearing gloves. I've also put a boarding under so it doesn't cover my lathe. I'm just going to put a little bit on a tissue paper. I don't know, just put it on like that and see what happens. Just turn the lathe down a bit. So there's the blue. Just put a bit of green on next, I suppose. Again, let's stop the lathe before I put that on. I don't really want to get. I have got goggles on, but I don't know if that's going to stop it flicking up in my face. Sorry guys, that wasn't green, I've just put blue on again. Right, apologies about that guys, my camera stopped recording. So, right, where was we? Right, so I put on a blue and I put on what I thought was green, but it's not, it's ocean blue. So there's two blues on there. It's actually giving it a really cool effect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sand it back right down to probably the grit that I want, and then add some more colours if need be. Try and dry it out. I don't know whether I use a heat gun on it or not, I don't know, but when we get to that stage we'll see what we're doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a green over the top of that, just see what that does to it. To be honest with you, I did prefer it when it was just the two blues. I really did think it made the wood stand out, but we'll see how it goes. Like I said, it's an experiment. We can always turn up another pen and do it again if this don't go right. But yeah, all good fun. Right guys, so here it is. It didn't turn out as I first expected, but what does? What normally does? I really liked it when I put the blue over the pen. I thought that was awesome. So I am going to be doing the project again soon, and I am going to be focused on using more matching colours. I think when I sanded it back to try and get that light and dark spots on the pen, which in a way has worked out to a certain degree. It's got a sort of antique look, but it's not what I envisioned for the pen to be. I don't hate the pen, but I think where I envisioned something different coming out of it, the Alumilite definitely does work. It dries nicely on there, nothing comes off after you've put a finish over it. I would give it an extra hour or so to try probably next time, just to make sure that, because I did have some colour come out when I put the finish on. But yeah, let us know what you guys think in the comments. I'll be interested to know what you guys think, or if any of you guys have used the Alumilites in that way on the timber But yeah, let me see if I can get a better picture for you guys. I will put some stills up at the end so you guys can see it properly. I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. We'll see. But yeah, I've got some more projects lined up with it for sure, and I've got a few running through my head now, so keep an eye out for them. If you did like the video, please hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me, and thank you for the subscribers that have come over. Really appreciate it. If you do like the video, please hit that like button. And yeah, like I said, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys thought. I'm still trying to think what I think about the pen, to be honest with you. I just don't know. But it's my wood turning journey, and I didn't want to just film the stuff that turned out well. For me, it's all about sharing my whole experience. So when stuff goes wrong, for when things go great, from when I'm not sure, like this, I'm not sure about it. I'm sure I can get the Alumilites to work properly on them, but who knows. Like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.